Let's get straight to it. 2003 Honda Pilot. And today I'm going to show you how to change the thermostat. That is the thermostat. We're going to start by removing this cover here so that we can see down in this direction here. So it's 10 millimeters to get these 4 bolts out. I already have them loose. These look like they may be replacement bolts. It might be a different head for you to get these out. But the ones on here are 10 millimeters. It should be 4 of them. And then you should be able to get this cover off. Usually there's 2 clips that's in here and here. And you can get a flat head and turn those counterclockwise. And you should be able to pull this piece up. So my first step is to drain the coolant from the vehicle. So there's a drain valve right here. And you turn that counterclockwise, and then you put your container underneath, and the coolant will fall right in. There goes the drain valve there. The reason why we're draining it is because we have to remove this thermostat housing here. So there's a 10 millimeter bolt here and one on the other side. You can't see from here, but it's on the back side back here. So if you remove those 2 10 millimeter bolts, then you can get that thermostat housing off. I have both of these 10 millimeter bolts completely out. Now the only thing holding this on is nothing, so we can go ahead and start to pry this away just like that. And now our housing is loose, so we can just move that back a little bit and set it out of the way. So I can reach down in here and pull that thermostat out. Just wiggle it left and right, up and down, until you get it out. And if you can't get it out that way, you can always use a flathead or something and get it in there and pry it with leverage, and that should get it out. So the first step I'm going to do here is to clean on the inside of this housing with a well, I'm probably going to end up using a razor and get all that out before I start to put my thermostat back on. So here's the thermostat gasket for the thermostat. I'm changing the gasket because they want to use the same thermostat. I recommend using the new thermostat, but they just wanted to change the gasket, so that's what we're going to do. So our next step here is to clean off this housing. You can see all this gunk right here on the outside, so let's get that cleaned off. Alright, so if you take a look at this thermostat here, you'll notice that one side is larger than the other. The large side is the side that we're going to put in first. But very important, if you look right here, you see a little nipple on top. And if you look down here on the thermostat housing interior, it's a nipple right here as well. So you want to line those up. Now I'm going to go ahead and put this thermostat housing on. I'm going to go ahead and start to get my bolts in. So I get the left bolt in first. Now I'll get the right bolt in. And just kind of hand tighten it down, and then after that I'll torque it down. And once it's all the way tightened down, we go ahead and plug in our harness all the way. Let's go ahead and button up all these loose lines and things that we have to move to get out of the way. Don't forget to tighten up your drain valve. And of course, the final step is refilling your coolant. So just go ahead and fill your coolant all the way to the top slowly until it fills all the way to the neck. So that's pretty much it, guys. That is how you change your TCC solenoid on a 2003 Honda Pilot. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in another video.